Have you ever caught yourself thinking, why don't we just toss all our trash into volcanoes? I mean, if you've ever played Minecraft, this probably feels like second nature. Drop your junk into lava and poof, it's gone forever. Sounds like a cheat code for real life, right? Well, not exactly. As with most things that sound too good to be true, this idea falls apart under closer inspection. But hey, it's a fun thought experiment, so let's break it down. First, let's talk trash. We produce a staggering amount of it. Take the United States alone. Americans throw away around 239 million tons of garbage every single year. That's a lot. So yeah, finding a way to magically vaporize all that would be kind of amazing. Enter volcanoes. Molten lava. Natural incinerators. What could go wrong? Turns out, almost everything. Let's start with the basics. There are only about 1,500 active volcanoes on Earth, and most of them are in remote, hard-to-reach places, not exactly next door to your local landfill. So even getting the trash to a volcano would be a logistical nightmare. But okay, let's say we solve that. We somehow load all our garbage onto cargo planes or ships and transport it to the perfect volcano. Now what? Not all volcanoes are made equal. We'd need a very specific type, a shield volcano. These are the ones with calm, slow-flowing lava lakes, like the ones in Hawaii. The trouble is, they're pretty rare. But let's keep dreaming. Let's say we find the perfect volcano. We're finally ready to toss our trash into it. Sounds simple, right? Not even close. Back in 2002, scientists actually tested this idea. They tossed a small bag of trash into a lava lake in Ethiopia. And what happened? A violent reaction. See, when something cold like trash hits super hot lava, it can cause an explosive buildup of steam and gases. The result? Eruptions, complete with acidic smoke and molten rock flying everywhere. Now imagine dumping thousands of tons of garbage in at once. Yeah, not ideal. And here's the kicker: not all trash burns. Metals, electronics, and other materials might just sit there, or worse, get blasted out later like toxic fireworks. Even the stuff that does burn, it releases a nasty cocktail of pollutants into the air. So instead of solving the trash problem, we might just make the air quality problem a whole lot worse. Oh, and let's not forget, shipping millions of tons of trash across the globe to volcanoes would produce an insane carbon footprint. We'd be polluting the planet just to try and stop polluting the planet. So yeah, while tossing trash into a volcano might feel like something out of a video game, in the real world it's a logistical, environmental, and literal explosive disaster waiting to happen. If we want real solutions, we should probably focus on better recycling systems, reducing waste, and investing in waste-to-energy technologies. Or hey, if you want to know why shooting trash into space isn't a great idea either, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more curious takes on weird ideas. Catch you in the next one.